Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to be comparing n8n and Node-RED to see if which one is better. So let's start by knowing what is n8n. So n8n is a modern workflow automation tool that connects APIs and SaaS applications. So this is ideal for business and process automation. So the pros and cons is that for the pros, it has easy visual workflow builder. It also has strong API and SaaS integrations with advanced logic and flexibility, and also has self-host or cloud option. For the cons is it has higher resource usage and some features required paid plan. And also it has smaller community compared to Node-RED. So for the summary, it is great for API-driven automation, SaaS workflows, and business use cases. Going back to the Node-RED, so it is an open source tool built by IBM focused on IoT and device automation. So it runs well on the lightweight systems like Raspberry Pi. And for the pros and cons, for the pros, it has free and open source, and it is lightweight and it runs on low power devices. It is also excellent LOT and hardware integrations with large active community. For the cons is it has less suited for SaaS or the API workflows and dated interface compared to n8n. It also has limited advanced logic out of the box. Now for the summary this is perfect for LOT, device automation, and local control setups. Now for the final verdict is that you can choose n8n for SaaS, APIs, and business automation, while you can also choose Node-RED for LOT, devices, and lightweight edge automation. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this comparison helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!